Hi, Culinary 2. This week we are going to be doing grilled cheese wars. So, what does that mean? What are we going to be doing? If you come down here in the links, you will see that I have on here grilled cheese document and 50 different grilled cheese ideas. So, if I were to click on the grilled cheese document wars, it will bring me to this document here. And this document will have everything that is listed that you are going to be doing this week. All right, so the very top part, it says grilled cheese war specific. So here are some key points, some things that you need to include, or just some ideas. So first of all, 2 slices of bread. Okay, can't have a sandwich, we need bread, right? But no plain bread, no plain white bread, no just plain wheat bread. All right, we need to think outside the box, we need to get creative. All right, so that's rule number one. Rule number two, you need to have 2 different types of cheeses. All right, but no American, no Velveeta, no Kraft singles. All right, the plastic kind that, take off the plastic, still tastes like plastic, right? Um, you can use cheddar cheese, so like your orange cheddar, your white cheddar. All right, but only one of those versions. All right, so keep that in mind. Now, you can use a fruit or a vegetable in your grilled cheese component. All right, it's not necessary, it's not required, but you can do it. So, just as an option, you can have that. You can also do a spread if you want to have that as part of your component. Remember, fruit and vegetables are not a requirement, they are optional. All right, so when you come in on your in class day 1, all right, so A group, Monday, B group, you'll be Tuesday. You and your partner are going to find and kind of research which grilled cheese you want to make. All right. Use your Chromebook, whatever it is that you want to do. You can also, remember, use this list that I have here of the 50 different grilled cheese ideas of some different ideas. It's from the Food Network. So there's like a whole list of them and it talks about that. And then once you guys find one that you agree on, you're going to put together a shopping list and give it to me. Your shopping list is going to be very important. If you don't get it to me, I can't buy your groceries. All right. And it has to be into me when you leave. All right. I need to get those groceries ordered so I can pick them up that night or the next morning. So I have them here for when I see you guys the next time. All right. With your grocery order, I'm going to need specific amounts. For example, if you need Swiss cheese and you just write down Swiss cheese, I don't know how much to buy. All right. So you're going to have to tell me 2 slices of Swiss cheese or whatever it might be. All right. Then on your distance day 1, you and your partner are going to have to do a little bit of work in coming up with a name for your grilled cheese. I do not want you using the name that you found on the internet. I want you guys to get creative and come up with a name that kind of describes your sandwich. All right. And you can see I kind of have some examples and some things to think about there. And then also come up with a description. All right. Make it sound delicious. Think that, you're putting it on a menu. All right. When you're at a restaurant and you're reading a description and you're like, ooh, that sounds really good. All right. I'm going to try that. That's what you kind of want to be doing with this. All right. So if, somebody was reading your description of your grilled cheese, you want them to want to try your grilled cheese first. All right. Then when you guys come in in class day 2, it's wartime. All right, you're going to come in. I will have the ingredients on the table, and you come in, you make your sandwich, make it look amazing, plate it beautifully, and whoever has the best sandwich will win. Now, ideally, I would love to have a couple judges come in and try it. I just don't think we can with COVID. So I think what I'll do is probably just have Ambrosius come in and help me judge because she's a really big foodie and she's down here anyways and stuff. So I think she'll help me be a judge. And then we'll declare a winner of our sandwich war. And then for your distance day 2, you'll have 2 things to do. There is a separate grilled cheese sandwich reflection that you'll just answer questions on specific to the sandwiches and kind of how you did with the water glass reflection. And then, of course, our weekly lab reflection sheet that you guys have been doing. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to see what creations you guys come up with. And I think it's going to be a really fun week. So can't wait.